3 steps, just 3 steps is all you need to get your channel monetized. In this particular video, I will just show you the 3 steps you need. And I think I should, like, you don't even need to live stream, you don't need to use restream, you don't need to beg people to watch my video. Oh, please watch my video, that you will do a playlist and then tell people watch to gain what. No, this method you actually gain organic, like it is real audience. In fact, let me just show you the way. So guys, the first step out of the 3 steps that I want to show you is to head over to your YouTube studio and click on analytics. So once you click on analytics, this is what the interface is going to look like. Then you click on this part that says trends. So if you look down here, top searches, you can see what your audience are actually searching for. You can swipe to the left. You can see how to earn money from YouTube vlog. If I swipe to the left, let me swipe to the left. You can see easy earning YouTube channel. Let me also swipe to the left. You can see YouTube review for monetization. So these are like top 3 searches from my audience. You know, we have different YouTube channel, we have different YouTube niche, and we have different audience. So this particular information is actually peculiar to my own audience. So if you check your YouTube studio, yours will be different from mine because we have different audience. Do you guys actually get the catch? So this is the first step. So let me also explain further. So okay, in fact, let me just do something so you guys can actually understand better. You see this part that says search. Let's click on it. Let's type this: how to earn money from YouTube. How to earn money from YouTube vlog. So let me search, click on done. So you guys can see the result says very high interest. So if I make a video about this particular topic, a lot of people are actually going to react positively to this particular video because it has very high interest. My audience are really interested in this particular kind of topic. So let me go back. Let me now search for something else. Okay, let me use a movie, one movie like that. Labake Olododo. Yes, actually a trending movie one time. So let's search. Let's see if my audience, let's see how they react. You can see very low interest. You can see that this particular thing here, if I make video about it, so if I make video about it, I should be expecting low views. So let me now use something else. Maybe how to make money online. I'm actually heading somewhere. How to make money online. So let me click on it. You can see very high interest from my audience. So if I make a video about how to make money online, I'm still going to get very high interest. So in essence, what I'm trying to say is that before you make any video, before you title your video, come to this trend here. YouTube have already made it easier for you. Come to this trend, check your top searches, check your top 3. You can see easy earning YouTube channel. You can see YouTube review for monetization. Just come here and check. So once you check, or maybe if you have anyone in mind, just come and put it in the search bar here. If it shows you high interest or very high interest, then go ahead and make that video. But if it shows you not enough information or low interest, please do not make that video, because you will not be getting the maximum result or the best result from it. So after all of that is done, let's say now, okay, we have come here and then we have chosen this particular title, which is how to earn money from YouTube vlog as my video title. So the next step is now our step 2 that we'll now go to. So let me now close this and go to vidIQ. There's something I want to show you here in vidIQ for the step 2. You guys should just pay attention. You guys understand where I'm going to in the end. If you don't know how to set up vidIQ, I think I made a video about it. I'm going to be leaving the link to that particular video in the description so you can see how to set up vidIQ. And for those of us that already have vidIQ, just go ahead and do this. So you click on this part that says generate. So this part that says generate, make a video about. Here you now put that video title, which is how to make, what was the title? Sorry guys, I forgot this. I forgot it. Let me just click check. I'm sorry guys. How to earn money from YouTube vlog. How to earn money from YouTube vlog. So here you now click on generate idea. So we'll wait for vidIQ to actually generate all of this for us. So vidIQ actually will now turn that title to a search engine optimized title. You can see make money on YouTube with your vlog. You guys can actually see this is actually ranking 58. This is a better title. You can see this thumbnail. I don't encourage you guys using vidIQ's thumbnail because the thumbnail is always so bland and so it's not even catchy. So just ignore this thumbnail part. But you see this title, make sure you go with the title because their title is always search engine optimized. So if you look right here, you can see the hook. Join me as I take on the challenge of turning my vlog into a money-making machine. Can I really make a living from this? So this is a very strong hook. Not that you will come and start your video with, oh, this, that, you understand? So this is a hook, and this particular video can actually help you with that. Yeah, you can see the outline, you can see the introduction. This is an idea. In case you don't know, maybe you just say the topic that, okay, YouTube said this particular topic has very high interest, but I don't know what to say. I don't know what to talk about. I don't even know how to make the video. You can just come and put it right here. vidIQ is going to give you can click on show more, just so you can see. Just go ahead. I don't want to be reading all of this, but you guys can actually go ahead. They even put the time 15 seconds that it will take for you to be able to say all of this. Yeah, so this is this is the full script. You can see show more. So let us click on this show less. Yeah. So here is the voiceover. If you want voiceover here, you have to upgrade. But I'm currently using the free version, and I don't think you guys also need to upgrade. So if you come right here, you're going to be seeing the tags that you are going to use when you upload that video. The tags that you will use. You can see this tag is actually rating 69, digital marketing, YouTube growth. So guys, I don't want to be wasting time to be reading all of this for us, but these are the tags. YouTube is going to give you, I said YouTube, vidIQ is going to give you the tags that you should actually use to make your video rank, and you can see the recommended how to grow on YouTube. You can see here is going to be your description that you're actually going to put for this particular video. You can see this is a way to which you can actually get your video done ASAP, and it's going to appear in searches as long as you do it right. And when you actually upload this particular video, you'll be getting clicks and views because this is something your viewer is actually interested in. So don't just go ahead and make video and just say, okay, today I feel like making this particular video, let me just talk about it. No, whatever video you want to do, go ahead, come to your YouTube trends, come here first and enter that topic first and see the reaction. See the reaction of that particular video. If you go down here, you can see recent videos of what people are actually watching. You can just just see and know how to make your own channel, know how to make your own videos and grow your own audience. I hope you guys actually learn one or two in this particular video. And once you start getting views, you start getting watch hours, and your channel will start growing organically without forcing it, like organic growth. Yeah, so if you find value, if you learned anything, please do what to hit on the subscribe button, do what to like, do what to share, and do what to leave your thoughts in the comment section. See you again in our next video. Bye guys.